Hey guys, welcome to Crochet. I'm going to show you how to do a magic ring using a chain stitch. So at the beginning, go ahead and chain about 6, and slip stitch the first stitch to the last one to make a ring, and go ahead and crochet over the tail. See the tail, and extend single crochet 11 stitches. And this is the 11th stitch. So once you have finished your 11 stitches, go ahead and pull the tail as tight as you could, and there is your magic ring. And then now you can go ahead and secure the tail, secure the tail, and continue to crochet on as usual. So that's the magic ring. Okay, now first round, chain 3, extend single crochet to the first stitch, chain 2, extend single crochet to the next stitch, don't skip, then chain 3, skip 1, extend single crochet, next chain 2, don't skip any stitch, extend single crochet to the next, chain 3, skip 1, chain 2, do not skip any stitch, and extend single crochet 1. So you repeat the same process until you finish the end of row. So here we skip 1, chain 1, no 2, I'm sorry, extend single crochet, then chain 3, extend single crochet to the next stitch, that's this, on this chain, that's the second round, and then in a chain 2 space, extend single crochet 1, chain 2, in chain space, extend single crochet 1. On the next stitch, extend single crochet 1. Continue. And the round begin, and continue repeating from chain 3 to the end of round. Okay, thank you.